want to design your own journal? In this video, learn how ChatGPT and Canva make it super easy to create a custom journal that you can use or sell as a digital print. Watch as I guide you through the process of designing something truly unique. Once you're in ChatGPT, the writing prompt that I'm using is create a journal that empowers women to evolve, unlock their full potential, and step confidently into their best selves. List 90 journal writing prompts for this and put it in a table format. Just hit enter and wait for ChatGPT to do its thing. So it's giving us a total of 90. So while it's generating, let's read a couple of these to make sure that it sounds good. Number one, what does your best self look like? Describe her in detail. List 10 things you love about yourself. What are your 3 biggest strengths and how can you use them more? Okay, so we have our 90 journal prompts. Below, what we're going to do is ask ChatGPT to put it in a CSV file. And this will make it easier to upload in Canva. So it's going to take a few seconds, but it's going to generate our CSV file for us. Okay, guys, so now that it's done creating our CSV file, now what you want to do is download it. And this is the file that we're going to use into Canva. Once you're in Canva, you type in journal. So Canva is going to give you a variety of templates that you can choose from. So you can scroll down and try to find a template for your interior. So once you find the journal interior that you like, you will modify it. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is add a text. I'm going to put unstoppable you. Okay, I'm gonna bring it up, and don't worry about these boxes over here to the left. That's for your where your spiral where your spiral notebook, it will be removed. So don't worry about that. I'm gonna make this smaller. Put it as 40. Just try to line it up. Okay, next thing I want to do is put my date, because this does not have a date on here. Hit enter. I'm gonna go back to elements and add a line. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is I like this today I am grateful for. So I'm going to drag it over here. Okay. And I'm going to delete this. I'm going to put a box here. I'm going to duplicate this box. And I'm going to put it under today I'm grateful for. And I'm going to drag it all the way over here. Okay, I'm going to delete this box. Okay. So guys, let's bring unstoppable down here and just bring the date up some. So I think I like that better. Okay. And so we're going to move this down some space. Okay, now that we're done with that, let's get this box even with the rest. We're going to replace my dreams and goals to ambition and focus. Now you want to we're going to take today's success and change the font to 14. Okay, and let's take today's success and let's replace it with what I achieved today. Okay, let's change the thoughts to reflections. Okay, so that looks good to me. So now we want to copy, and we're going to paste Unstoppable on this page, our second page. And then we're going to copy this box onto the second page as well. Make sure this even. Okay. And we're going to put, instead of putting Unstoppable You, we're going to put Self-Reflections. Okay. So now we're going to go back here and copy the box again. We're going to paste it, and we're going to type in writing prompts. Okay. I'm going to bring it up here. Okay. So now what we're going to do is go over to our apps, and we're going to type in bulk. We're going to upload that data. Okay, here we go. Open it, and then we're going to select the text here, and then select continue. So we see that the generate 90 designs is here. You hit click generate. So guys, our 90 journal prompts have been generated, and looks pretty good to me. Okay, so let's do our journal cover. Let's type in journal cover. Scroll down. I like this one, I like the turquoise. Let's delete the butterfly. Let's move some things around. Okay, like my journal, let's remove that. Delete this. Okay, let's move journal down a little bit. Let's make this a little smaller. Okay, let's move this over here. Okay, so let's go to uploads, because I have an upload that I want to use this lady here. I'm going to delete the background. Okay, we're right here. Let's move this up here. We're going to type in Unstoppable Journal. Okay, we're going to make it a little smaller right there. And then we're going to add in a text. We're going to put, let's delete this. Your best. Okay, I'm going to make it smaller. Make sure we got everything spelled correctly. Okay. And let's make this a 17. So guys, this looks good to me. So now what we want to do is copy the Unstoppable Journal, and we're going to click add a page, because what we're going to do is we're going to create the page that says this journal belongs to whoever is going to write their name in it. So let's delete this, put this journal belongs to, and all we have to do is go to elements. Let's put a box. Add this one. Let's make it a little bigger. Okay. So guys, this looks good to me. So now what we want to do is go to share. And there you have it, your very own personalized personalized journal. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification until the next video.